We're going to make a honey walnut shrimp. It's your favorite.
Yes.
Our ingredients are shrimp, egg white, cornstarch, condensed milk, honey, mayo, brown sugar, water, butter, and walnuts. Now, we are going to make the mayo sauce. Add the honey to the mayo. And the condensed milk. And then mix. Mix until well blended. Let's cook the honey walnut. Put the butter. Let it melt. And then add the walnut. Now set aside. And put the water. And sugar, the brown sugar. And then put the walnut. First, beat the egg white. Once the egg white is fluffy, add the cornstarch. Little by little. And then add the shrimp. Now the next step is to fry. Once the shrimp is golden brown, remove from the oil. Dip the shrimp to the mayo sauce. Put the walnut on top.
It smells good, Momsy. Is it done?
Yes, it's done.
Can I eat it?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, Momsy.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Momsy Alice Kitchen. Bye. See you next time.